guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jason and you're tuned into I Speak Geek. So you're probably wondering what's in the bag in front of me. So I had to go to the Apple store because this is one of the only places I could pick up what I picked up inside the bag, and that is the Razer Kishi. So Apple's like one of the only places you can get it, and you can get it at Target as well, I believe. So normally it runs 99 bucks. But with military discount, it's only 90 bucks. And this is a controller for your iPhone. It connects via lightning cable, and your iPhone just slots right in between this. So I have Apple Arcade, and before I would use like my PlayStation 4 controller, but I recently sold my PlayStation 4, so I figured, you know what, let me get a dedicated controller for my iPhone so I can game on my iPhone when I want to casually game or just wind down. So I decided to pick up the Razer Kishi because I saw it online, and it's like one of the only ones that are, you know, made for iPhone. And of course Razer has the history of being a gaming peripheral company. So I'm going to unbox this, and I'm gonna set it up on my iPhone, and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. But yeah, here's the Razer Kishi. All right guys, so here we have it. We have the Razer Kishi. Let's go ahead and get it unboxed and see what comes in the package. Okay, this looks like foam bumpers, slot in, get documentation. It's very compact. All right, let me go ahead and put my phone in. Nice. Kind of reminds me of like a Switch or something like that. I didn't go ahead and put the borders on. I'll probably do that later, but yeah. See if we can actually use it with some games here. It's real good in the hand. I'm not sure the game is optimized for this or if it's connected correctly. Doesn't seem to be recognizing. I think I have to put those actual slots in here, but it seems really nice in hand. Definitely does add a little bit of bulk to it, but on the good part of that is you can steal this away and throw it in your bag, and it's right there for you whenever you want to play. So I am going to probably figure out why it's not working right now, and I think it's just because the way I have it connected and set up, I actually probably have to use these grooves. I just want to double check that also the game is compatible with this controller. I might need to find another game, but here's the Razer Kishi. Nice build, definitely, you know, a nice controller for the iPhone. And right now, of course, I am using the XS Max, but this will also work with the new iPhone 12 Pro. Guys, tell me your thoughts on this below in the comments below. And guys, if you found any value in this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Later. No one ever sees me.